I cannot believe I'm a mother now. मुगे छोड़ो हाँ. After few years, that ये problem गेन मुझ बोगले तो ने. आ खुद मुगे problem गेन मुगे माय पाई बोगले था. Google has become my best friend. ChatGPT is best friend. એને શીખમાલા પૂરો મુગે ઓડ્યાન ઢપ 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 સાતા. Wait, I'll have to eat healthy to make her eat healthy. Healthy hain pregnancy time asano healthy hain muge ju gelo ha is here. My soul has left the body long back. Without junk food I cannot survive. Pizza, burger, I've seen a cravings also for burger only. Ante khawa pudane bhaji baba eat very healthy, very nice for your health. What I'll tell her, mama only doesn't like healthy food. Oh god. Cooking next level. I'll have to think morning, afternoon, evening what to cook for her. How to adapt to her lifestyle. According to her timings, I'll have to leave the house. Oh, this is her nap time. I cannot leave. Sorry. This is her time for bath. I cannot leave. I'm sorry.